Pipedrive CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses manage their sales process more effectively. It's built with one main goal: to make sales simpler and more visual. Unlike traditional CRMs that can feel complicated, Pipedrive focuses on pipeline-based system. This means you can literally see every stage of your sales process, from the first contact to the final deal, all in one easy-to-follow dashboard. You just drag and drop deals as they move through your sales funnel. One of its biggest strengths is automation. Pipedrive automatically tracks emails, calls, and follow-ups, so sales team don't waste time on repetitive tasks. It also integrates with tools like Gmail, Outlook, Zoom, and Slack, keeping everything connected in one place. The reporting tools Pipedrive help you track performance, forecast sales, and see which deals are more likely to close. In short, Pipedrive CRM helps teams stay organized, close more deals, and save time through simplicity and automation. It's like having a digital sales assistant that never forgets the task. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.